Maple Glazed Rosemary Carrots recipe. When it comes to veggie sides, sweet potatoes get a lot of love. But there's another root vegetable that deserves a second look. That's right, I'm talking about carrots. While they're great raw in salads and as a vehicle for dips like this spinach and artichoke dip, carrots take on a sweet flavor when cooked that tastes similar to sweet potatoes. If you need a simple side dish, you can't go wrong with this Maple Glazed Rosemary Carrots recipe. It's vegan, healthy and delicious and made with just a few ingredients. You'll love this one. Place carrots in a skillet and add just enough water to cover them. Turn the heat on medium and bring the skillet to a boil and letting the carrots simmer until the water has evaporated. The carrots should be soft by this point. Then add in the benefit-rich coconut oil, maple syrup, rosemary, salt and pepper. Please use fresh rosemary for this, it makes such a difference. Cook the maple glazed carrots over low heat for another 5-10 minutes, letting them soak up all those yummy flavors. Remove the skillet from heat and serve. If you have anyone in your family who doesn't like carrots, this recipe will probably change your mind. The maple glazed carrots pair really nicely with steak or another protein like chicken. But you don't need an excuse to eat these carrots. Maple Glazed Rosemary Carrots recipe, total time, 25 minutes. Serves, 4 to 6. Ingredients, 3 cups peeled and sliced carrots. 2 tablespoons coconut oil. 2 tablespoons maple syrup. 1 1/2 tablespoons fresh rosemary, chopped. 1/2 teaspoon sea salt. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Directions. 1. Cook carrots in a skillet with just enough water to cover them. 2. Bring it to a boil over medium heat and simmer until the water has evaporated and the carrots are soft, about 20 minutes. 3. Stir in the coconut oil, maple syrup, rosemary, salt and pepper and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes over low heat.